In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Jira account in just 5 minutes. Whether you've finished using Jira for a project, switched to a different platform, or simply want to manage your online presence more closely, understanding how to delete your account is a useful skill. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the homepage of Jira, where your work is housed. Typically, this will be the place where you regularly access all your project details and other relevant work information. It's your main point of entry into Jira, as you're familiar with, where you can see everything you've got going on, a handy hub for your tasks. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon or picture. This is your profile icon. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu. It's generally where you go to access personal settings or to log out of your account. This is a crucial step in personalizing how you interact with Jira, and it allows you to manage various account-specific settings. With the drop-down menu open, you need to find the option labeled Manage Account. By selecting this, you'll be taken to a page that provides a more in-depth look at your account settings. It's a sort of control panel where you can adjust different preferences related to your account. Accessing this will help you start moving towards the option to delete your account permanently. Once you're on the Manage Account page, you'll see several sections that allow you to manage different aspects of your account, from changing your profile information to adjusting privacy settings. This is where you'll look for Account Preferences. Clicking on this option will take you deeper into your account settings and allow you to make more sensitive changes, such as deleting the account itself. Now, on the Account Preferences page, you'll find an option that says Delete Account. Clicking this option will prompt a final set of instructions or confirmations before your account is officially erased. Keep in mind that deleting your account is a permanent action, and usually once you click through and confirm, you won't be able to recover your data or access any associated information. It's an irreversible decision, so make sure you've considered all your other options and back up any data you might need before taking this step. Deleting your account can help clean up your digital footprint, but it's essential to double check any consequences this action might have. For instance, ensure that no teams or tasks rely on data that would be erased. It might also be helpful to inform colleagues or project managers that you will no longer have access to your Jira account. Transparency in these situations can prevent confusion and ensure a smooth transition if you're moving on to another tool. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to delete a Jira account. By following these instructions, you can manage your online presence confidently and navigate your digital tools with ease. Remember, being aware of how to control your accounts is empowering and ensures you're using each platform to best suit your needs and privacy preferences. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful guides on managing your online tools and resources. Until next time, take care and stay savvy online.